we are making fried rice on a budget. Oh yeah, let us enter market together. So I started pricing carrots, spring onions, green pepper. Have you people seen the current prices of these vegetables in the market? A can of sweet corn is like 400 naira. Onions unko. Chicken is even a no-go area. This time our money will not be enough, so let's use the best way out. And guys, because we want this to be very affordable and without any stress, we are going to be using Addmie because it is a perfect blend of all the vegetables, carrots, the mixed bell peppers, even onions, everything all in one. It comes in a pack like this, and guys, it's very affordable and easy to use. It also comes with a seasoning pack, so first we have to take it out and pour in our pot of rice. Then we're going to cover our pot and leave this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you guys, this is what we have. We're going to fluff our rice and we are going to set it aside to continue cooking. Now back to our veggies. We are going to rehydrate this first before we use it. And you guys, the best part is that it comes with some chicken chunks. So we have our veggies, the seasoning, and our protein in one sachet. Fried rice don't set be that. So we'll pour in hot water, drain immediately, and in the same pot we're going to add some oil, pour the veggies, the seasoning mixed together, pour the rice, you guys, and we are done just like that. If you've been following our page, you would know that this is not the first time we'll be using this Addmie sachet to cook. We have used it for Chinese sauce. You can use it for your noodles, your spaghetti, your porridge, anything, just name it. So you don't have to spend too much money on buying veggies or prepping, you guys. With a sachet of this, it done. So to those of you asking us for fried rice on a budget, see is it giving? My brother loved it. He kept asking me what I used, but this Addmie pack really helped us, so if you see it in the market, just get it and try it. So can you please guess how much you spent in total? Bye guys.